I'm Hagit, the CEO and founder of Tevony. Tevony started from the idea of taking my dad's secret recipe, tachbisha, invented 40 years ago, and we wanted to share it with the world. As a mom and business owner, I know how precious time can be. Preparing dinner for my 6 girls was always a priority. After all day running around, sitting in meetings, and running a business, tachbisha saved me time on many busy nights. We started Tevony in 2018 after my daughters inspired me to take tachbisha out of the kitchen. Tachbisha was created by my dad's desire of gathering the family together at his barbecue parties. Going back to my father's roots, he devised a combination of garlic, turmeric, olive oil, and a secret blend of the finest ingredients put together with lemon and lime. And he created tachbisha. Tachbisha is a Mediterranean garlic sauce. It's vegan, it's made out of non-GMO ingredients, it is sugar-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and has no artificial flavors. We developed a spread that can be used on bread, as a dip, or even on a pizza. We created the condiment as an alternative to the traditional ketchup and mustard. We packed it in a squeeze bottle so it will be easy to use. I love being creative, and I wanted to create a creamy salad dressing without using the mayo. I'm a huge fan of coconut cream, and when I put it together with tachbisha, it created the perfect salad dressing. To learn more about our products, visit our website, tevony.com, and follow our journey.